Whacking, punking was heavily influenced and inspired by drag queens. And drag queens, when they would perform on stage, would lip sync music. But they wouldn't really be singing the music, they'd be performing the song through the expressions of their body, their face, their eyes, and their hands.
Six, seven, slow. One, roll, same thing. We're gonna go boom, push that back, hit the back, boom, to come three.
I still love everything about you. Put all our trust in us, there's no more fear. Although I haven't really been the perfect partner, your mind, your heart, and honesty is how I breathe. And when I follow you, it feels like home. And in these ways, I'm humble. Can we pack our bags and run away to the mountain high, just you and me? When infatuation